It's 5 in the evening and it's a beautiful winter day in Dubai. We were in search of some steaming tea, a nice view and a beautiful sunset. The drive started aimlessly, but we have reached in a totally unexpected location. I'm going to take you along with my walk. Let's walk. This beautiful hangout spot is called Marina Cubes and it is located in a totally unexpected spot, Meena Rashid Port. This place was opened in the year of 2018. It's a waterfront hangout location where you get an uninterrupted view of the sea. This place is more like a harbor where you can dock in your yachts, and if you have a yacht and if you're struggling with a parking lot, you know where to come. This place has a very cool vibe. I like the calmness which you hardly find anywhere in Dubai. Away from the city, away from the traffic, and away from the noises, there is hardly any people. You can have a seat on this long pavement, have a beautiful uninterrupted view of the harbor, the sea, and enjoy a peaceful sunset. There are a handful of eating options over here. Ship containers are converted into beautiful restaurants. If you ever been into Box Park, this is a similar but a much minimalized version of that. Guys, I can't watch sunset from here. The sunset is on the other side, but I can watch that evening pink beautiful sky from here. This information is for those who are planning a visit over here. There is no entry ticket, parking is free, there is a long-term parking spot available just outside. And I'm not talking about the parking right here, I'm talking about the parking at the entrance. This is, for the yachts. While I am taking a stroll, enjoying the view, the fitness people, they're running, they're doing cycling. So if you are into that category, consider this sport for your fitness activities. This place is in the Meena port, very close to Dubai Maritime City. The location details are in the description box. was my day off and I wanted to spend my evening enjoying the weather and with a beautiful view. I think I have found my perfect ideal locations. What do you do on your day off? How do you spend your evenings? Do let me know in the comment section. And if you like this video, please click on that small like button and let me know your love. And if you have not subscribed to this channel, consider subscribing. And thank you for watching. Thank you for tagging along. See you soon on the next video. Till then, take care. Bye.